This is my unboxing of the Bafang 250w mid-drive motor. So, buying this to replace an e-bike wheel which has got no gears in the hub, and I think the torque is pretty rubbish on it and it's no good for hills, so this is supposed to give plenty of torque for hills. So yeah, eBay purchased, use a discount code, and I think it was 420. So what's in the box? Apart from polystyrene, we get the motor. You don't get much actually. So we got the gear wheel. Can't remember how many teeth that is. I think the options are 42, 44 and 46, can't remember. Anyway, so there's the wheel. That's the plastic guard that goes over that. We've got a bag of something. Oh, brake levers. Let's have a look at these. So basically, when you put these on, it's pretty much the same as my other bike. When you they connect up. There's the connector. That end cap where it comes off. Yeah. So when you brake, it sends the signal to the motor to cut out, because obviously you don't want to be braking and the motor trying to drive you forward. These seem quite good quality actually. Yeah, they're quite nice. Should be 2 of those hopefully. Let's have a look. Should be another one. Yeah, that one's in there. Won't get it out, or maybe we will. So look. One's right, one's left, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, quite nice quality those. So the nipple just goes along there, line all that up, and then yeah, connect those up. What else we got? Ooh, the throttle. So in the UK, I was going to say, twist grip throttles aren't legal anymore on e-bikes, on new e-bikes. So this is a thumb throttle and these are legal. So this is a pedal assist system, but yeah, to get around the legality in the UK, they give you a thumb throttle. There's different laws, different countries. I know in America I think you can have 750w motors, but in the UK they're 250 the limit. So I decided to go legal, so I went for the 36 volt 250. I really hope this is enough because we have got big hills around here. What's in there? That looks like cable connections. Bafang. Yeah, I didn't want to risk getting another hub wheel. I was going to go for a geared one, but I just thought it'd be a waste of money. And this is supposed to give you like loads of torque being mid-drive. All the best systems are sort of mid-drive really, the Bosch systems, the Yamaha. Right, what's in here? Ooh, this looks like the computer part, the display screen. So, look at this. That's the display screen you get. I think this is the black and white one. They do colour ones now, but that looks nice. And that is the controller for the switching it on and the pedal assist, down, up. So that looks good. Has it got a protected piece of... Yeah, it has got air bubbles. See that? So that's the computer, or the display. Right, the big bad motor. Now, size-wise, it's fairly big, but boy does it weigh a lot. I mean, that is maybe No, 6 or 7 kilos. That's going to come out a lot heavier than a wheel, a motorised wheel that I've got. Looks nice though. It's, again, really well built. Some serial numbers. It's grease. It's got the protector still on there. Yeah, looking forward to getting this installed. What I'll do, I will do some videos, but I don't think I'm going to do the install video because it's going to slow me up and take a long time. So I've got no one to do the filming. I'm just wondering if you get any tools with this. Oh, I think you do. So at the bottom of the box, underneath the polystyrene, we get the cranks, or the crank arms. There we go. So they just pop on, like so. So we get those. Yeah. And also in here is all the bits, the locks. I think that, yeah, it's all the locks for the for this, the crank, keeping it in place so it doesn't move about. They seem to be coming with Loctite stuff on the threads so they don't come loose, which is pretty good. So yeah, I don't know why they didn't include those in the inside the polystyrene box. I guess there's no room, so they just put them on the outside. Chinese. 2017, 26th of the 9th. So it's not that majorly old at all. Right, so yeah, that's it. Looking forward to getting this set up. And like I say, I don't think I'll be doing a video of setting it up. It's going to be going into an old power bike, e-bike. Power bikes in the UK have been going for a number of years. They came originally with lead acid batteries, the older ones, which is what I've got. So I kind of got rid of the lead acid batteries and then put in this brushless hubbed wheel to replace the brushed one, and got a lithium ion battery pack, 36 volts, chucked out the lead acid. So yeah, this is going to be going into that. So once it's all set up, I'll do a video and do like some sort of review of it just to let everyone know how it goes. But yeah, interesting. I think this is going to take a couple of hours if I don't have any problems getting it into the bike. If for any reason this doesn't go into the bike because the frame's slightly different, I'll probably just chuck it into an old mountain bike and shove everything into that. So yeah, hope you like this unboxing. I've got loads of other videos on different subjects, so have a look at the video list. If you like the video, thumbs up would be great, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.